Hi everybody, happy Friday. The weekend is here and I'm back. Really excited about today. We're going live at 8 a.m. with my Friday flex workout, working our entire upper body. Be sure to come back tomorrow because we're going to hit it from the waist down, getting that booty. So I'm really excited because I just got back from Las Vegas. I learned a lot on this trip. Number one, when you're out and about, you're going to see a lot of people watching. What I learned was that people are really chronically ill out there. They're walking around. They're not even walking. They're shuffling because they're so heavy. They're short of breath, chronic coughing. And I was like, wow, it's so sad to see people living a toxic lifestyle. So shout out to all my VIPs out there. You've made a choice to step into your healthy, happy body. Everybody wants to be happy, right? They talk about the happy meal, find your happy place. We actually went to the happy place in Las Vegas, Brooke and I. But the thing is that you can create your own happy from living a healthy life. When you live a healthy life and you work out, go to bed early, wake up early, go into your attitude of gratitude, and you really work your body from the inside out, you can have anything you want. Post below your goals. I want to know your goals because when you talk about it, you bring about it, okay? A lot of this New Year's, New You is about breaking bad habits. But this is your JNL VIP tip. You don't break bad habits, you actually replace it. So instead of waking up late, you wake up early. Okay, that's how you actually break a habit. Instead of eating bad food, you eat healthy food. Instead of not working out, you work out. So that's what we're doing. We're making this shift. There's a transformational shift happening in the VIP community. It's going to get even bigger and stronger. I'm creating the miracles in these beautiful VIPs' lives all through the mind, body, and spirit. Now, this is my mind, body, and spirit book. This is my first hardcover, softcover, I have it in both in hardcover, softcover book that I published. And I'm really excited because I want to give you this quote. It's really great for the new year, new you. Failure is just the opportunity to begin again more intelligently. That's what we're doing this year. We're looking back and saying, how can I make this year better? How can I make it stronger? How can I break those bad habits, right? So you are now going to be replacing the things that you want to change, but it's not going to be easy. It's only easy if you have a support group, if you have other like-minded people around you, helping you as they're doing the same thing, and a coach that cares. So surround yourself with people to make it stick. People say, I want my New Year's resolutions to stick now. How are you going to make it stick? Hold yourself accountable. Have a reward system. By the way, we are having our beautiful progress reports due on January the 7th, which is Tuesday. Okay, so make sure you get those in because we're going to track our progress and we're going to really change our mind, body, and spirit. Now, this is the latest book that came out. This is the Reclaim and Unleash Your VIP Power, Highly Effective Ways to Live an Exciting and Fulfilling Life. You see, I don't even talk about weight loss or fat loss, but I talk maybe 50% of this book is all about health, wellness, how to really crack your fat loss code so you can wake up feeling great, tight, right, with energy. So let me give you a little tip here. I'm really excited because the feedback has been great. Thank you for all your support. First of all, I give you an identity test and a self-assessment. So you actually are able to write in here. It's more of a workbook. So this is a great gift for the new year. And then I also give you some great VIP tips for success, such as, make sure you schedule in your self-care rituals and guard that time with everything you have. Hi, Elizabeth. Hugs to Liam. So right now, I'm about to teach at 8 a.m., but that's hour 8 to 9 Eastern Standard Time. I guard it with my life. I just got back from Las Vegas. I made sure I still did a workout, even in my hotel room. All right, I was waking up my neighbors. Because I guard that time and it gives me such a boost. It gives me so much joy. And I'm really just so grateful for this 2020, this new year where we can really cut out as many triggers as we can and we get rid of what causes the stress, what causes the emotional eating. Hello, Susan. I'm really excited about today's workout. It's going to be awesome. Also, I talk about name it and claim it. You have to visualize it. You have to see it. How are you going to feel when you're living your dream life? How are you going to feel when you're in your dream body? Feel that. Link pleasure to that. And also link pain to the opposite. Link pain to the opposite of Oh my God, I didn't work out. Oh my God, I just ate that fat burger. Oh my God, I just drank that toxic beverage and I'm feeling so now. So this is the time where we crush our goals. We're getting lean and mean. We're going to get our nutrition right. We're going to get our mindset right. By the way, at 2:30 today, full hour of private group coaching right here at JNLVIP.com. We're talking about mind, mental strength. So you are feeling strong and healthy and that you have that intestinal fortitude, that strong gut. You have that strong backbone and you're ready to kick butt in life. It all starts here in the mind. When you make a decision, you make a decision to not let anybody or anything steal your focus. All right, guys, I could be here talking all day, but listen, your future is so bright. You got to wear shades. So get your shades because it's about to be a full-on ray of sunshine in the VIP room. Cannot wait to kick your butt, give you that motivational kick in the butt. Going live at 8 a.m. And don't forget 2:30, our Jolt. And to all of our new members, welcome. And if you're not a member, join at JNLVIP.com. Your first month is only $1 of your entire transformation. So I'm addicted to our workouts too. Isn't it great? It's like you're fiending for it. You're fiending for it. I just got back from Las Vegas. I saw people fiending to gamble, fiending to drink, fiending to smoke and get their lungs all fiending for the buffets, all that gluttony. I really was able to study human nature and say, you know what? All those negative vices where they're just like feeling like a zombie after all of that. I'd rather do things like workout, detox, cleanse, motivational affirmations, positive affirmations where you feel upright and beat and feel great and you feel energized. So it's your choice, right? It's all about the power of choices. So I will see you guys at 8 a.m. Join JNLVIP.com. I'm already working up a sweat, as you can see. I'm ready to detox and cleanse and get this party started. I believe in you. Hello, Brooke. Love you. All right, let's do this, Susan. Elizabeth, let's go. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.